This is an Entry 3 Functional Skills Maths paper from Edexcel. It's split into two parts. This is the first part where you can't use a calculator. There is a total of 9 marks for this part. Brett is planning a trip to see a football match. He saves £85 each month for the trip. He will save for 4 months. How much will he save in total? Show your working and your answer here. So £85 each month for 4 months. So we're going to multiply 85 by 4. 5 times 4 is 20, so 0 down and 2 carried over. 4 times 8 is 32 and the 2 is 34, so 340. £340. Brett chooses a hotel for his trip. We've got 2 hotels, Style Hotel and Fair Hotel. Brett says the Style Hotel is 650 meters nearer to the stadium than the Fair Hotel. Is Brett correct? Show why you think this. So we're going to compare them. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So we're going to do 1,000, take away 450. So 0 take away 0 is 0. Now we need to take away 5, 0, so we haven't got enough and we need to borrow 1. So we're going to borrow it from the 10 to make it a 9, and this becomes a 10 now. So 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 4 is 5. So 550 meters, not 650. So take the correct answer, that is no, and we've shown through the working out why. These are the amounts Brett will spend on his trip. We've got travel, £169, hotel, £108. Calculate the total of these amounts. So 169 add 108. 9 add 8 is 17. 6 and 1 is 7. 1 and 1 is 2. So £277. Brett works for a printing company. He prints documents for a customer. Each document takes 8 sheets of paper. Brett has 500 sheets of paper. How many complete documents can Brett print? Show how many sheets of paper are left over. So we're going to do 500 divided by 8. So how many 8s would fit into 50? That would be 6, because 6 times 8 is 48, and we'd have 2 carried over. So how many 8s into 20? That would be 2 of them, because 2 times 8 makes 16, so we have 4 remaining. So 62 complete documents and 4 sheets of paper left over. And this is the end of the first part. This is now the second part of the paper. You can use a calculator here, and there is a total of 27 marks for this part. Brett works for a printing company. He buys 5 packs of card. Each pack of card costs £14.06. How much money does Brett pay in total for the packs of card? Use the correct money format. So we're going to do 5 times 14.06, which we can do with a calculator. And it gives us 70.3. In terms of money, it's going to be £17.30. Brett prints labels with different shapes. Which shape has the most right angles? Tick the correct shape. The triangle doesn't have any right angles. Neither does this shape here, which is a trapezium. Neither does the circle. This shape has 2 right angles. This one doesn't have any, and this one has 1. So we've got to take this house shape, pentagon. Brett prints documents for customers. Each document has a number. Brett prints documents in number order from smallest to largest. What's the number of the second document that Brett prints? Tick the correct answer. So looking at the smallest, so we've got 546, 504, 605, 460, 560, 540. So I'm going to write them on the side, starting with the smallest, so 460. Then we've got 504, 540, 546, 560, 605. So the second smallest is 504. So we're going to tick that. Brett needs 450 packs of paper for next week. He has 284 packs of paper. How many more packs of paper does Brett need? So 450, take away 284, gives us 166. Round 284 to the nearest 10. So that's the 10th digit. Looking at the digit on its right is a 4, so we're going to round down. So this is going to be 280, rounded to the nearest 10. Use the rounded number to check your answer to question 4. So we're going to keep 450 as it is. Take away 280. That should give us 170, which is what this number is rounded to the nearest 10. So 450, take away 280, gives us 170. Brett buys packs of card. These are the numbers of sheets of card in different packs. So we've got 12, 24, 36. The numbers of sheets follow a pattern. Brett wants to buy the pack with the next largest number of sheets. What's the number of sheets in the pack Brett buys? So we've gone from 12 to 24. That means adding 12. From 24 to 36, again adding 12. So we're going to add 12 to 36. So 36 add 12 gives us 48. And that's the answer. The chart shows the cost of copying documents. A customer wants a large size copy. Brett says a large size color copy costs 48p more than a large size black and white copy. Is Brett correct? So we're looking at large size, color, and black and white. So black and white large is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 pence, or P. And we've got large size for color, and that is 62, 64 pence. So let's work out the difference. 64 take away 18. And that gives us 46 pence, which is not 48. So is Brett correct? Tick the correct answer. I'm going to say no. Brett sells business cards in a box. The length of the business cards needs to be 20 millimeters less than the length of the box. Brett says the business cards will be 6 centimeters in length. Is Brett correct? Show why you think this. So let's have a look. How many millimeters is this? So we've got 5 centimeters here. So 6, 7, 8, 9 centimeters. So 9 centimeters. So as we've got this in centimeters, I'm going to keep this in centimeters and convert this one into centimeters. So 20 millimeters is 2 centimeters. It says that it needs to be 2 centimeters less. So 9 take away 2 gives us 7 centimeters. And he's saying that they need to be 6 centimeters, which is not correct. So tick the correct answer, that is no. Brett needs to put a logo on a business card. He prints the logo the wrong way up by mistake. Brett needs to turn the logo the correct way up. What fraction does Brett need to turn the logo? That would be half. Because it's 180 degrees. Half turn. Brett designs the page in a newspaper. The page has a length of 36 centimeters. An advert will take 1/3 of the length of the page. Brett says the advert needs to be 10 centimeters in length. Is Brett correct? So 1/3 of 36, is it 10? 1/3, so it's 1 out of 3. So we're going to divide 36 by 3, and that gives us 12. So tick the correct answer. No, he's wrong because it's not 10. Brett designs a poster about a concert. He puts a picture on the poster. How far is the top of the picture from the top of the poster? So we are looking at this distance from this point to this point. And we can by taking away the total length of the poster, which is 50 centimeters, and taken away the length of the picture, which is 30, and that's going to give us a difference of 20 centimeters. So 50 take away 30 equals 20 centimeters. Brett makes a sign for a van. The space for the sign is 2.05 meters in length. Brett makes signs of different lengths. Which is the longest sign that fits in the space? Tick the correct answer. So the longest that fits in 2.05 meters. So this one fits, but probably not the longest. This one doesn't. This one does, but maybe not the longest. We've got 2.1. It's higher than 2.05. We've got 2.15 again, that is higher. And we've got 1.98, which would fit. So comparing these three, this one would be the highest that can fit. So I'm going to take this one. Brett has information on the number of documents printed. Brett needs a line graph to show the information. Complete the line graph and use correct labels. So July 240, August 180, September 200. First I'm going to put July, August and September. And I'm going to plot the points again. 240, 180, 200. So 240, that would be here. 180, that would be here. And then 200, that would be here. We're going to join these dots with lines, straight lines. And our line graph is complete. Brett makes a delivery to a customer in the afternoon. He looks at the time on a clock. So it is 3:10. What time does Brett make the delivery? Use the correct time format. As it is in the afternoon, we can say 3:10 p.m. or 15:10. Brett sends parcels to customers. He has a list of the heights and weights of the parcels. It costs £5 to send a parcel of height less than 25 centimeters and weight less than 15 kilograms. Which is the heaviest parcel that Brett can send for £5? So less than 25 centimeters and less than 15 kilograms. less than 25 centimeters first. Let's look at that. So we've got this, 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 and this. Now less than 15 kilograms. Within those that we have dots next to, we've got this one and this one. So there are two of them. Which one is the heaviest out of them two? That's this one, 7 kilograms and 24 centimeters. Brett takes a water bottle to work. He has 1 liter of water in the bottle at the start of the day. The diagram shows the water left over at the end of the day. So this is where it was at the beginning of the day, 1 liter or 1000 milliliters. And this is how much water there is left now. How much water did Brett use to the nearest division? So this is what's the nearest division. So let's find out. So from 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So it is now 300 milliliters and it was 1000 milliliters. So 1000 take away 300. Gives us 700 milliliters. The chart shows the weekly wages of people in different jobs. Brett is paid a wage of £330 each week. How much more is Brett paid each week than a person with the least wage? What's the lowest wage in here? It's this one, the hairdresser. So this is 250, 260, 270, 280, 290 pounds. So Brett is paid 330, so 330 take away 290, that gives us £40. And this is the end of the paper.